Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup look. It's been raining here in LA and the weather's definitely been getting chilly. To still keep the warmth somehow, I thought I would go for a warm orange, reddish look today. If you still like this look, then please keep on watching. So, you ready? Start off by moisturizing your lips. I'm using this one from Smith's. Now on to face primer. This step is crucial for me since it smooths out the skin by filling in any large pores. This is my second bottle of BarePRO foundation. I love the natural matte finish, which looks so effortless on the skin. Seriously, this stuff is the bomb.com. Blend it with a wet beauty blender and we're good to go. Don't forget your ears and your neck. Time to conceal. I'm using this one from Smashbox to cover up my under eye circles, redness around my nose, and freckles. This stuff is potent. A little really does go a long way. Mercier's translucent powder does a great job of setting my makeup. I have a tendency to apply too much at times. Don't make the same mistake. Can't apply eyeshadow without eye primer. Apply tiny dollops onto the eyelids and lower lashes. I'm going to use Dallas as contour and blush. I like to apply it to the outer perimeters of my face and right under my cheekbones for some extra color. I tried a new highlighter for this look. Not sure this one wins against my Holy Grail Becca Moonstone highlighter, but it gets the job done. It was a little difficult to blend, and the shade was just okay. Apply it to the tops of your cheekbones, nose bridge, and cupid's bow. Time to contour even further. Taking a fluffy blush, I'm going to contour my eyes, nose, and under the lip for an extra pout. The Zulu palette, here we come. Taking the orange shade, I'm going to apply it to the eyelid crease. I think it's my favorite shade out of the entire palette. It's so wearable for any occasion. Next, the yellow. Using a wet brush, I'm applying it to the center of my eyelids. Using a sparkly pink shadow as a transition shade, I'm going to blend it into the orange and yellow to cohesively connect the shades together. Let's make the look more interesting by adding a hot pink shade into the mix. To intensify the look, use a warm dark brown shade on the outer corner of the eyes. I'm pulling the color out diagonally to create a cat eye. For extra sparkle, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. One of my favorite ways to wear eyeliner is to create a cat eye. Start by filling in the upper lash line. Then the lower lash line. Now pull the line out diagonally, then fill it in. Voila, the cat eye is born. Be right back, I'm gonna go do my brows really quick. Done. Lip time! I was feeling a little vampy if you couldn't tell. I'm not a fan of a strong lip line, so I use my fingers to blend out the edges for a softer look. Ah, much better. For a more complete look, I added some ARDELL DEMI Wispies. They're my favorite lashes. I love how these ones look so sultry and natural at the same time. Almost there! To balance out the false lashes, I applied my favorite mascara to the bottom lashes. I still felt like something was missing, so I added in an extra baby pink blush. And we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, then please subscribe. Until next time.